Josephat Njaga bakumoroka buna Makumba. Karibu sana, good evening.
Pia sana ndugu Clinton.
Karibu sana gago Makumba nago asensemo ya gago notrenere samo miyenda umore kuri wasegeta seni kiagetembe FM to abira toko banero ko to cha gutomero buriga buri karo kiagetembe. Karibu sana Sam.
Thank you so much. Manaro miata birjanyo ya birenkong ni chimpa nankai kwa ide chikongete sincho kidogo rende mwana boro gomwe baba lakini rende ndo chenga motkwatire na make bono njanyo ari yairi yo karibu sana
mwancho mugere you mic testing bono na etu akwarga ndia senchira ya bene osangena internachika kumanya namba isi 0726447367 tome ujumbe ya godi bodi ya kubatikana turachiko sango butukubwarero nabigensemo yimitandao mo director one kiringa twasore live Facebook Getembe FM na YouTube Getembe TV tubwatira ni kurubona goika umwere tutarachaka toche kuigwa chinkwana cyabagani bana se studio wankonya go kwandra bitwari rero tigatura ategera chinkwana cyumuriki omonene gwikyama ya Jubilee ekyo kyaro setia serikali ya eta nsi buraigwa muraigwense umukoro mwishimwa Uhuru Kenyatta uyu manyakaine buna Jeremiah Kioni anyarete ko baka gukundira sinini korende baraikurwase ekyamekyo na boigo the official statement kurwase ekyama ya Jubilee tera kwanirwa korende bakunira ke otebira buna ekyama ya Jubilee nkagenda to kuiroberia kubwato ke ticket ya presidential flag bearer ekyamekya se chikura cyumako 2027 nanda kasa mutukama ego mwanchu murigire onyore umuraibwense umukoro Uhuru Kenyatta na sogeti na era kanyarko baka gukundira kidogo agatabanga muchando toko chikoborro onye ero monyene kago chakwa mheshimiwa Matiang'i okoboko tigatura chinkona cha Kioni kirarengo kwa na county ya Narok asa kunera na goteba buna nigo barengete buna ikyama ya Jubilee go chikomwa okoboko mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i.
Tunataka mtu ambaye anaelewa tulikuwa tunaenda wapi. Huyu anasema natembea, anasema Matiang'i. Hero. Kwa hivyo Matiang'i wachikane na natembea na Karonzo na Gachagua na Kioni na Matiang'i ndio wanasema hako ndani ya Jubilee. Na yeye alifanya kazi na chama ya Jubilee miaka 10. Hao wakae na wale wengine. So we as a Jubilee party, we have our own candidate also called Matiang'i. Waende wakae na wale Hello? Aende wakae na wale wengine.
Mwancho muriria in as much as yetiri an official statement kuri ase kyama ya Jubilee lakini kurendo muriki omonne bwe kyamekyo kago kwana chinkwana bune icho he was something is cooking tigancha kana Dennis Orioki HSC tumanyango kubatkana ne chinkwana chiga chumeshimiwa Kioni and we understand the president Uhuru Kenyatta nere anye chiwiki bega chetire obera se mitandao sana in as much as about intention chogo support Matiang'i message ya Kioni na kiwa affect magusi
Biamana Maradia Clinton biamana as opportunity for the second time mundo wekaro ingwanzanga Jeremiah Kioni talimento ivi talie ordinary member yo chama ya Jubilee Jubilee toni manyeto it was registered 2017 ya Kairoberai and ya were in power ya korre minto manyenja ya performative ya 2022 chikura chia 2022 because mbabu what expectations mba endose ti mheshimiwa Raila Odinga tatia tikura chikura lakini rende mbabu wote support to mba nyoli bantu ba minto ya manya getingena a topic insa abwere nga rebirth yo mogusi akarego kwa na igoro ya obora yo bwense mono abantu bako majikolenga rali ngaki omogusyo ya mato akamajikoro kanango muganiri kusiengema akanyora bajumbe lakini rende mwenyelenga no George Anyama George Masoja Anyama the late na era agatenero president no chikura njia ale boisana na era agatenero bantu na bange bara expressed interest ye kero yake kan igoteli bento ke yabona akoba kama cha tenete ikatenete ne chama ya ko runga forward people ase okonyoya aba balibato takarata ne bato rojena Jubilee na era liete kiama ya forward people kiomogusi akarata banga riba koso koibo ya waka bere tunadio se tanto ngoro ya kabere chama eliyo mogusi ya nyachae ya meretwe ose ya iretwe na echame ya Jubilee eyubana naende Jubilee Secretary General atavirena ne arema janyago chako wa ba moire endorsement inga buna barote matiangoreri echame ntonyorena echame nja performative ya 2022 no jumbe tebwati bahange nende ya soire serikali oetera ensemo was the president Chimini Sanjire ji aswa risato na batoko majikaranga okoboko at one point okoboko we president the former president Uhuru Kenyatta na kole moina and tokorocho kole opposition and kole moina my message no linga agency yasa ondoto yo kemanyete we kirabana eni ndebi konya batemwa ngikira workout but what I want to say na Jubilee abata ete konye rejuvenate ene chama ya ararete ono ete ete kotaborwa and the best way to do it no go soka very fast baroronga a candidate iranye gali siasa kanyingima Matiang'i ase bona bune aspirant abantu bali take advantage inkitora akora bune chama ya ito ya Jubilee etabo boke this is now the reawakening ya chama ya Jubilee. I think for now na wangu ikelia
tocha so tutumanyie as a political editor kiroko kwando mheshimiwa Fred Matiang'i we all understand that wetu mwaziri thus doesn't make him koba as during the reign ya koba within Jubilee as much as now working in the manifesto ya Jubilee. So where do we have Matiang'i asa njo na associated na UPA Matiang'i yoyega na anda we associated na Jubilee ya sokire kwa moya ticket omo secretary general UPA mheshimiwa Jacob Bakaka na atavanga ikiama ya UPA ikikwenda so mheshimiwa Matiang'i. So where is Fred Matiang'i?
Rita mugino chakanga siasa ya Kenya siasa ndio trawika na mosio mopira atachinze muso chinze chitawati identity politically tawata mundu okweborukole odiamo okweborukole Jubilee okweborukole for people okole wanenge muna siasa kuligala linga asa tobwate weakness ese team ya ito sese kia mgeto muna olie kia teba muna onye tobwate weakness ese striking ito kulige striker wana kia muna ya Jubilee aso kwanjara na muna dani siasa teba ga kiaro de kebwa the weakness and the only person rage konye ago Fred Matiang'i lakini mwana ninde ege tambuka ligiga kiare tire a contribution abanta bange ekaro kuligia ekaro analyze ebrenge byo anta bange balenga kanga muske Fred Matiang'i asoka ne kiama kiagusi eri kebwa te identity yo mugusi lakini mwana kare kiama giya Jubilee jire kia confirm the fears byo anta bange ki Matiang'i bya bya kiama kiale is a member of Jubilee is a member of UPA ono again the kiarete commissioner rebeka yani commissioner rebeka bwanta ko sokata ngaki inchemuna Fred Matiang'i ekiamo kiane inde UPA osende Jubilee because one lako cha kumurwanira at the end of the day stakes na bachira belo wadi wedre sokorwanira ko ile ndukende na kiamo ya Jubilee na karokio muna kekunya kweligi ngetegete kuhoni Matiang'i because karo kodira lese pecking orders chia ekiamo ya Jubilee kose ase chikambeni cha 2022 okonyoranga ase pecking orders chia ringa sa mwanzo bali kero nto bate Raila Amolo Odinga uyo president nto bate umuske Martha Karua uyo ingera running mate nto bate umuske Kalonzo Musyoka ase pecking order ya Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Alliance na Matiang'i ringi among the top bali ngoro wale pecking order ye mno ko limuka ngoko rusi Raila Odinga se matrix yes equation ye mundo ko next za chinde Martha Karua ko rusi Martha Karua mno wana tawe ko na ra kanta kare no muske riga tikashagwa mundo ko next total ko se Kalonzo Musyoka ko rusi ko na Kalonzo Musyoka na bate kiama kia the next person the pecking order ye line up ya 2022 ya riga against muske William Ruto no mundo ko next yani automatically by default I go Fred Matiang'i. I think that could be the reason behind the thing that as a seniority itoka toko bwate bali tuwalenga again si serikali where does Matiang'i lie?
Thank you. Tocha se Josephat Nchaga echimkwa na chago because in as much as mheshimiwa Matiang'i tara saukia Roma this is what other leaders babo kwa it's speculation Roma nyana tara saukia so far so good Jubilee atawe mtutu amoire tara saukia wekane
Rita ndio bimono sana siko ngarika singikaro asenga kiane tangani ego ndo natawe ngeringa Matiang'i was born a lucky man wetera this generation ya Gen Z ya gerere oroka lenga the better option ase bali barari ye chikuro cho president ndo bachinyore iyo kerega ngere bara ni common season ne osenga kimne tumatenga mugusi igare gesafike egatiyo satorike me Kenya nande on your endorsement ye party of Jubilee you party anene gwate wafuasi bangenza ya Mount Kenya as we know. Now you see this is not new to me, to us. I remember President Uhuru Kenyatta. Now in his words, akaria farm in his words nga omumuroyo Fred Matiang'i obire nero bosukume serikali yae asa matukonsi kwa successful. So a party of Jubilee, whether as secretary yae a candidate para associate nero because of the performance yae say whether track record ya magana kwa resense ya Kenya is Fred Matiang'i. Fred Matiang'i is what? Now in the last campaigns we were marasana nga omunyamesira ekarakwegirwa igakubwa ate abanyamesira bandi bono there was a season aboltika cup bono gakiya graduation yekire alo omunyamesira anaenze
but now where does this leave us? We are ahead of the general election. The person himself or your conductor wako iko konabara ibande kwanda tare soki, what do you think might be going around the boardrooms or ikigere maiga behind the scene matiangada wesoki akwane?
Well, a bit of discomfort is abantu baito bakuboringa aya igo konye kwane rega tebanga torosi esage itomno mugusito soime erinde to be safe kisiasa lakini kwanye te esage mugusi bado nika tokera ro we have lessons as siasa ya Kenya wade betray nyingi na umugusi eka kwa endorsed by other parties ekera bono politics injiri chikuru loko tena national we would have our own party. My suggestion, we would have our own party as Omugusi, a US again to Kuisera, or was a bit trained. They won't see more of the governor and regard the Shawa, a grand game, a Kurasorai, a Kiamoso. We do not want to make any mistakes. So, any discomfort, there is nothing wrong. The endorsement, we should have them as many as possible. Omugusi igaro mubaramoke igatageti abantu bande abaterana barabo erindi usani mubaro mugamba. So I don't think there's anything wrong with that endorsement to be.
It is a political rebirth. Is it happening for the first time the region of Mount Kenya as we of course Jubilee is a national party but we believe never at the background kura say Mount Kenya is supporting an outsider for the very first time?
So what I can say, Clinton, in politics, there is gaining and losing. You can make a step. I want to affirm, Jubilee, it lost. The yellow fever affected Sun in the 2022 general election, whereby UDA almost swapped majority of the seats in Mount Kenya. So what I can say, declared as part of the Jubilee plan, it is kind of trying to regain the synergy that had lost the glory. When you come to Fred Matiang'i himself, when we had after that, the person who was being preferred was then an Gen Z. After Raila has joined the government, was Fred Matiang'i. So Jubilee is taking the stage, knowing that one of we lost. The only person through Chega or strong who during the Jubilee administration, he was a super CS. In one way, he pushed the agenda of Jubilee. If Jubilee had that 60% development record, it means part of it. So you never know that if Uhuru Kenyatta is trying to pay back, pushing the agenda, as Jubilee or Sobra Jubilee. Well, no, and Raila comes, Matiang'i comes, a time when omo oitu asemereti urenga as opposition urenga korete competition koja asumara imense ore Raila Odinga ochire mea serikali. So we look who is next now should be in his shoes go say I really bageri yai. Wanyoranga Matiang'i was a performer. If today you ask me whether I'm supporting him or not, and you can attest and say indeed Matiang'i did work well. One can have a Kenya a development oriented leader. Banyoranga, who is there? Who is Matiang'i? Matiang'i is being pushed as a person who did work. Korende. Kero Jubilee Bawatabanga we support Matiang'i. Oyo mintoke gata about Esaiga Yomugusi. Me I see no problem. Even if ngango chikosari osenkole gains and loses jetindo chimechando because chama ya Jubilee igebwata roots chaje nyinge abantu babanya ko babago tigara se chama range n'abantu kurochisemo chama mu Kenya although ndobata birenda bari bachira se serikali ne unabona babo Sabina Chege the pledge to support serikali but at the end of the day ni bwata roots ku Mount Kenya and if we want numbers as omogusirende egerto konyeke asobra yuwense bo maybe Matiang'i romanyanga kwa sokia tebe odo siasa ne bwata mangana mange we need friends and friends of benefit friends who have numbers I think in the Clinton when you compare the entire Gusii region both Nyamira and Kisii County we have only 960,293 votes as
of 2022
Go to 22 million to what you 22 million as per 2022 but million you see
thank you thank you we need to have many friends as and say ende to tarako rawase obo Jubilee ronte to cha sol kon tara sore umo director ne kuru ase studio ya kabira atobekire robot ya se umumen Republic County ya Kisii Mheshimiwa Doris Aburi na yeso kiate banga Jubilee de kurute bituma ito kumusa robot chinyake avila karira auto beke robot nyawa samara mwancho morigeri yakota banga the Jubilee Party's gesture towards Gusii community by proposing to field a candidate from Gusii in 2027 presidential elections raises questions about the underlying message. Are they implying to Gusii community that it lacks the resolve and capacity to establish and support its own political party? I don't know toto buna omori kya mangana igage siasa. Do you think women rep na bwate something to say nga buna makumbata banga it happened to Gachagua na sare tukwe kanyoranga tabwati asa kwaga women rep banga
I think the underlying problem to what na Kenya one gana linga to the political identity is very clear. No one I think movement rep na short of whatever you know it's like she did not communicate muna hata kile kwa na again tabu ndo kubeka gabu msachindi galinga tebena si for Matiang'i or against because one karacha kwa na ile kiama nyuma mate this torato my contribution yana ye individual abara na by the way muske Jeremiah kioni niga kwa nitege ntokali for please the masses so kwa baba kwa roje kana inge it was a back and forth kwa boli ngana na mroje Matiang'i natembea muna na mroje so it should not be something kila rete liberera kama adida kila rete liberera mono so what should be happening esawana siasa bona iga for example some women rebel involved ingelinga onye ndito abwate NCA ito ya Kenya abwate structure yebiama kangabone kantu go discussing nkiama Matiang'i kuchukuboli go president for example I can imagine when ya ringe 2022 ya ringe kiama ya Jubilee ya tenete imara mu kiama nyama go kege propose katabanga ase wachori to kwenda mutu ni kiama ya Jubilee ese pecking order kiama ya Jubilee ntokugate na baye ngo takaba between Matiang'i and William Ruto I can bet ya ngo takaba very tight race between the two and maybe Matiang'i could have been one of the two probably running mate which is oyonde kono kuba tubwate ebyama ibyo kono rumu ntaka begeto mukata tego gasoke muna kamusumari kandi go gachitese ngiko chako that is what the problem begins bomega ikiama ke UPA for example na kikere associated mono no musike Fred Matiang'i
ekie abantu bakagerete na by the end of the day na kimu sikama tianyara wasoko chiara nagara wana kiama kia Jubilee ya sokiri wali boli tokwe boli wasiri boli wandu wako boli ndingeki out of the two ngeki matianyere kerengere kiengekere ikiatra sokate bomanye kumala ayeke yanu tokwera naga atanyara na umuraibi kiama kia UPA uyo musike amusike munyaribo all the prominent himself just holding to account statement ya magating
is the party leader
na nje kwa mwingine so there's a confusion
if I may interject kiza kinga ndo kama reality omwese ko muya ase community ngabo saneko so onye party ya Jubilee ya ro mati ngina omwese ko muyo regeti aiwe ya so bino mosaje ko nguyu so swatu yu kila Jubilee so if there are parties in Kisii kama ndio party in Kisii chinyinga sana chilete chibekimo kumna whatever those parties should also come out James Matiang'i as the flag bearer then in the process Matiang'i will find a house as a Nero. He knows the community ago. Matiang'i, much as over siasa na mali siasa. Na manye what happens at some point. Amazubusi nyawale na serikali. He is going to make a wiser decision because I've been saying for the last 2 weeks discussion in yes, with the parties. How do we come together so that in Kisii we have one party that all of us belong to? A party you see a ground. We want you to be the flag bearer. When you make a coalition with others, then you make a coalition with others. So, as they were saying, na Jubilee said this, Jubilee was actually soki, na man kama soki.
You want something call the number one. Only the real story. Ebiyamango za biacha. No single political party eboja ya chikura Kenya ye. Onyore 2013 tuwabwate ebiyama lakini bekaba force ya semencho ekiyama more or less tribal political parties ebiyama byobo Kenyomba byobo Kabira byobo clan cause nonya bigo tema go chama correct national outlook ali mejinga national political parties bile you can trace the origin tiabo for Kenya Jubilee we easily trace it go the mountain lakini kusiga performance ya byama ibere Jubilee gebwate mujumba wamo mu West Mugirango upa gebwate mujumba wamo oyo Bonchari so in as much as they are in competition na ndo kwa local performance ingakire I think there are a difference of maybe MCAs locally na bora na wale bale igoro maybe who pass more but in terms of the National Assembly kere kama gebwate mujumba wa makoruguzi nationally ekarego da at the national level Jubilee bono majira koroka nanga bono na be koreta enyaroke ya makumbata ba na be koroka na mere several steps ahead in terms of negotiating and ngora the picture at the national level ndo ma be Jubilee 2017 njaire to borai so rende picture ya bandu mbale bono nonye officers injira siye kwa bado ni wate yara wini so na boto ko charge from the history na dia performing number 2 onje ko liye nonye ODM, it has also been changing. So, in as much as so that the political party, coalition it is good, it's a plus to Matiang'i Konyora endorsements. It's a good thing, but I can tell you for free, abaraya bagusi igere shockwave. Some of them are panicking onolende chame goja kwa popular turaso anireli abange konya barozi ryo boiri maybe go chiupa abande barozi ryo binde ko Jubilee you can trace jarma akioni asaro kwa nakuru onde naro file tinga jarma akioni wono ga ko endorsement yeye na aje ninde flag bearer so ninde chairman ya Jubilee go say county gete bana matapeta position yo ko negotiate na ko nga that where we don't Yoko get more members on board. But remember he was receiving the defectors. So Chama has been sleeping giant for the last 2 years.
To erase off Chief Yas Chomo women rep. So does it mean as a Chinkwana Chino we release Matiang'i Mugusiaga and the Jubilee for that endorsement but we have our own
not really. Let me tell you, there's a danger yo go profile Matiang'i bona a candidate yomogusi. That's a dangerous one. By the way, I'll suggest Momomara irangara wono. Donya and any other mogusi leader ara irangora, but we work with the proxies. Jeremiah Kioni did a good thing. Ora Motosire. You know, what he has done so far is a good one. Another voice from the mountain, Yahansire Water, not Momoima. We should also get somebody called Western. Nyarobadanga, Matiang'i Nabako Nyara. Note that Matiang'i Gare candidate to Amasogiruna Bagus is a candidate to a president at the national level. We should attribute all these things in Agotena because you are called a bit of appeal to the national, to the nation at the level of a president. Again, to answer reduce it to this region. I've seen Nelson Avi, community and I've seen from the look of things, we should have 47 presidential. No, he has gone ahead of quoting Maraga, Jubilee together, take candidate here, mountain, Matiang'i. You know, that one is now disabusing the notion. Matiang'i can only be a leader of Mogusi, our president at the national level.
Thank you so much. Tunachocha kila sasa Sam, karatu ategere chinkwa na chi almost senator we county ya Kisii kwa mentioning hapa Raikuru Soro Goriga as of now pabento ko iramara so that tunale chinkwa na chaga ziward to this mo direct to kura studio akabira sing just a county ya Nyamira ikiga almost senator Okongo Mogeni almost senator Richard Monyonka mbaso gati na gotebanga irondi iga kufa kupona omugusingo charamo na they are all backing Mheshimiwa Matiang'i asesa igeyo timeti bono mo senator Nyonka Jubilee bago chigoso bose saiganero go chenye bose upa or any other political party ebuto go chato cha krene chinkwa na cha Sama Miyenda.
Wataniuliza niongee vile nimesema, sisi kama jamii ya Omogusi tumeamua candidate yetu ya urais hapa nchini Kenya 2027 elections anaitwa Dr. Fred Matiang'i Okengo. Na tena hatusongi nyuma. We will continue. We have decided that if you have a dysfunctional country, that institutions are not ready to share the cake equitably, then you must look for alternatives. How you will force those who are in power to share those resources with you equitably. And one of the approaches, we will set our own political party, we will go and negotiate. We know Fred Matiang'i is going to win, but he cannot win alone. We are going to talk to everybody. We are going to talk to Kalonzo, we will talk to Gachagua, we will talk to Uhuru, we will even talk to Raila. We will tell them it is now our time, because where we are, this country requires to look for us also from the small clans. Even as who are without the numbers, we need to be given an opportunity to show what we can do.
Mwanchumu rwere chine chinkwa na chumo senator Onyonka tutara cho sore sam nariga wataba umurikyo chumo rwere kirere ejumba wataba Kenya politics is based on clanism. Awatabanga let's come together and organize ourselves. Awatabanga one thing anataka tukulizane hapa, mbona food people ikawa so dominant? Awatabanga it's because of umugusia chetamo. Awatabanga gochibosio tiga abagusibe bange bose esaige yotori gochi akonyara kobage konekiwa. Kwa hivyo masena tagagu chinkwa na akuruwa gusama. Awatabanga this time liwala wako nyuma ya Matiang'i. What if Matiang'i aende Jubilee?
So Clinton acha wasati yangu kwele na kwa namna babo na wami ntabatabe. Again conquer kanga Jubilee party. Number one, I want to remind you, Jubilee started as a coalition. So we had a coalition of TNA, URP, nchi chama chine by the two major wanenge URP, Yabatoro and Berigo Chia Sachisamo Rift Valley, and then we had TNA, Yabatoro and Berigo Chia Sachisamo Mount Kenya. Then come 2017, for the sake of numbers in parliament, Wakaranga Bia, they come together. egera ba perform a party ku Jubilee bona igaba a national party in that time bona kama chikorogana so national that it's never had or mbere kuchiando si kurende ya bata bajumbe at least country wise ngento kende ndakete kufuatisia abamentu na batebe going ahead of saying Tulimatiani in a presidential race with a political party what the roots cha kurusi that one it will be seen like negen to get the power chain to naba usi of which you don't have numbers numbers yetu ni chinke but for me if you could have asked me and I got it could be good for Matiang'i to go to Jubilee as a party egera ko kukorogananga that is nationality. Are you seeing? One eko mwebicha yokoba umrai wensing because Jubilee ni etwara numbers chinge chaba jumbe ni etwara go sent at least kere represented in Gusii ekagenda osene chisemo cha Western babo John Walukembaro chisemo cha Nakuru chisemo cha Mount Kenya it looks ekorete bicheri ya nationalism. Are you seeing? Well Tulimatiani yako doesn't go as Gusii akoenda as a national leader lakini Gusii gatoche back. Do we need to have our side because the siasa ya Kenya ni yenye mwagete ya kisiasa that it is based on clanism or say let's say ethnicity igere siasa yobo kesako intuga iga kusitoiche tutamenga we need to have a saiga yetu ngero mate kero bate saiga no skire na kero kwa chire asigete gamu aitanire ko bate saiga na bokwira na baka tutu are saiga yetu but esa yeye ebwate bichayo mu Gusii just like other parties chibwate their own roots na ndio so as a coalition usase information yeyo ego chikoroswa na Jubilee chama chinde because bitego chayoka egere na ndio torosi information ego chiko support Matiang'i but as from Kisii.
Thank you igago unakuwa ruwetu katocha sore makumba na yote manyiko igura mosena tabuna atabire na tutamfuata what if Matiang'i so kiasa ngetara kwa na hata evo wanchire bid ya Jubilee party then sinata bala we can trace back roots cha Jubilee party so that does it mean saiga ito yuguno Gusii ngo chikobera on the other side
itaga monga bere tingo nyara question intelligence mheshimiwa Onyonga he's a smart guy na Gusii yagani ya rai no Onyonga na karanze ngoroime ayo tende ko tunu goro igaroje ngoroime akikie kale hiyo tende ale ngoroje that is Onyonga for you so mheshimiwa Onyonga has been championing Gusii as a Fred atakere alichukura ko I do not understand why kereto konde a party e Gusii tukutwaro kuoba lakini tukukua ni party ya Mount Kenya hiyo Jubilee tuwafili hiyo national you see you can have a party ya Gusii ya UPA betware secretary general na ono mkoyo usomo to the race for the party national look it just simply means local wake up other members back to other communities also in that outlook be a national so there is nothing wrong with what Onyonga has been saying. Actually Onyonga has clarified you see ndoto itawa sande bande so this party that we form now they got other people to come in or for example the other realistic everyone will be here in the first thing exactly the same thing we can have kupa Gusii we can have kupa Gusii lakini what a national outlook a party leader enda kuingia ODM enda kuingia kia AUC unwa party leader bado umwao so there is nothing wrong Gusii kutore party yabo na bate party yabo hata lene binde bazini I want to give on something matter na Matiang'i was next as a man as new to next in line was Kalonzo Musyoka Kalonzo he has been walking around na Jeremiah Kioni for the longest but Jeremiah Kioni knows Kalonzo anywhere ekiangalia Kalonzo na watu wakiingia okay Kalonzo is still in him so the thing of why Gusii tatware kiama na that will look like now Matiang'i is coming from a community there is nothing wrong Harvey Nelson he says you see Nelson has been championing for concern for chief justice security that means whatever Nelson is saying is from Ruto. This thing they are saying about Marabe Maraga no mugaka umwari ndabona West D. He does not really have an association ya magana siasa right now. He has never pronounced himself as a magana siasa. What they are trying to do it ya kusia to the tradition yo soke on to perform. The Chief Justice Maraga performed so well. So came to associate with him. But now for Matiang'i has been clear. He wants to vie for a seat, but for Maraga okoro kumugani erokena magana teko kwa ngode yo tabega. Ona yule do muswati oria mali tena abatenge sama tukamani. Na chingwa na chia hichi wate okuibisa gete okay ho kwa wisdom. That don't tell you one magana direct. That means it is not for Matiang'i. What she's saying is, I'm excited about Jubilee, to need to form our own party in Karaida. And they were not Jubilee, Native Party China, remember, Jubilee, Nepati Ero, Imeazimio. One of the parties in Azimio has endorsed Matiang'i. We expect them to come and endorse Matiang'i because other broad-based government, they know that any candidate, one of the parties they were in as a coalition. So we expect more parties to do the same thing. There is no worry. Politics is local. Tikato Nkaraia Mwaka Senator Olumaka Busi. It is okay for the end of the community. Let him go forward. Then the community to president again.
Chochote Soraro ni aseme ncho Senator Taire watatafuta marafiki wote all around kwa kuonekana mheshimiwa Matiang'i na achukanyora ekiruge kiga 2027.
Siasa ya Kenya no yenga bamwe community nira ya umugusio bwate 10 million registered voters tako genda bweka mutuga ata bana bana ntuto bachikore nyinge atagwa. So a factor yo koryo muntu muko bwaterana gose ebisa ko no muko bwaterana gose team ende muko bwaterana gore koryo basane no Senator Onyonga Kebeka it's a no brainer. Ono issue erega ne yakaro akarto kwa negoro ya endorsement ye byama bikwendorse omuntu gose a potential candidate ndabona Matiang'i agende ko nyoli 2007 no ina arenga moke. I remember na ebyama bingi byasogati ko tabanga wastok ko endorse area election wa maske Mwai Kibaki. Okoba alenge bona sababu ya Kibaki yani gose team ya gete sababu naki Kibaki kako ndate gose ne kiam gose na Kenya. Aba bandi bale kiam gose nka mkonye so ile side ya re-election ya Kibaki. Nki na kiba kuira bare inga ba be rejected. Bona okoba area mbi byakanyara na takona bachore kiam kama sororo the option was cause any fieko ya ingoroku part of national unity kengoruku PNU. Kibona kama gotona ki bona eri bare mo kondwa ndego chaga mo nanga ke mo ndona njuga the option was njabona arasi kiam kiam ngoro PNU bali mutagete mo kotanganya kene mo support. Well, no, you should come to me. And that is what from where I sit, I expect in one way or the other. Directly or through proxies, almost carefully Matiang'i. I don't get them to get a mwezi nyuma itemonta get the 19 na nyumbe cheni mwezi tumupata mapone kusigoja. Baya nene wali mota get to na intumoto was to na intumoto injwana asende go asende because at the end of the day ese kama gose Mutske Matiang'i amwire ngabana Jubilee agaso there are questions kurwa sa abantu batanga ikobono na kibono it's like he's faulting out na inde isi kabana mano chole ko say you PA some things na bona para lenga nyaki ikobono na inta ranga bona tigaira ne nyomba uma itegere gento action and reaction ya politics ne bwate ni reaction ne action ya opponents la criticism mbanya kubongento geno geno ko premission jana ko monta your opponents yako hit at you ngaki ma bono tamire ko busi ko chile ko ma bono tige ko na ko irande busi so to avoid research na bwate is in a dilemma erwe ko mnyene apwenda kwa sababu na bantu ba yenya bala bala ko mwana advice onye timu yake eroro mata ngaki maybe from where I sit njai group prefana acha wale erwe ka batenya ki inchenaondega bono if you really want to support me you should come to me
ndio maana again tonda itakatara neke na mbele yamo omulimo olia etunke litwara salia na lida bali yabe ile ligia kero monto na wali gerret we should be thankful one of our own lida bali amaro renge gatunke oyona are tokora support. I can guarantee you una mitoma kumbate aba Kalonzo batali na Gachagua oroka ndenga egenteke bano ninje ngotike ruangangenda inje ndangi mu mulima lakini for the longest period ba baire na yare to impeachment and before endorsement and ons omekiri an about turn whatever in as much as to na Kalonzo ra bado muntu egetunu getagete oroka ndrematia, which is a good thing. Inche endorsements chiko from all the quarters nechingi yachire, but again we should be very careful. Endorsement ya Mount Kenya Karegoja echama bano koru the mountain ya Karegoja, we should be able to appreciate it tote abenga yene gift ya nene ase ogwanza chikura jire omulima ali is more than aso ogwanzera na we expect lende chama ya Jubilee tonse kolinga chikura jinji ababa portion to Raila Odinga na bako nyawanga close to 1 million chia jeta as Raila Odinga igo chinse ko banga mathematically na bachiko che side ya majiangi ko majiangi wanze ire omulima with 1 million okole the option moina mbanto kinende bara baranyorere ndamatoronge ye chikura wana Kalonzo oyo daranyo endorsement nona yambi ogori gwarana Martha Karua na ero chira lakini ende Martha Karua mtoche performance ya egoro maigana bintu bintu byako. So it's a good thing, it's a good gesture, lakini ende omogusi the leadership yo omogusi ndomo tagate na raso akati aba in as much as endorsement chia rule wherever intugusi we gato charge the way forward tonyore chama ya ito na moko so amonzi bimwe karanga karamo ikiralia no kwa ewe kiama otenenere ko sene party chairman. It has not been easy. However, tonse kore no anupa performance yabo kuna makomba ataba upa nyaro tiye anda ku localize mo because chairman ngusi chairman Ivan no wrong no mo MC nyamba ga ises a party leader no mo governor amos nyali ke mo nyali a deputy party leader no mo jumbo bonjari general deputy speaker Kisii County Assembly. So in as much as tola ataba na bagaya kobe national political party ikira kana kere so attractive tigaba ando baito pasare under those positions to kere the image here national finally egere kia muhimu mono. I think chama tuarambali mono, which is a good thing because we expect IBC was in place by elections in Jitakekopo. And I can tell you, where they were aligned to Matiang'i and the other people, we kabaka flex their muscles politically. Inga okoira na ono MCA bole Nyamira ga bole bwa ticket. Inga okoira biro gombe bya bajumbe biro wherever across Nyanza. So time yo kuero kinga umaarufu nera ngochere. I think kuchimotua in as much as to the record ya presidential candidate we gatora aligere party ki ya line na aseget each party eji chianza bono ko realign njiro kana jire tu loko chairman party leader deputy party leader bonzi balera we may not attract much attention.
Asa chingwa chaganda ke Kenya ko bageko genda loko egeko genda national kidogo nganchire tunya ko ba to so studio ya kabiru turi mutumo ke dakika moto korena. We have now other leaders very in opposition of this. Bawatanga candidacy ya Matiang'i is not of any effect. Tetebwati wave. We had even some of them quoting ngamba mwakiro mheshimiwa Matiang'i simero monyene Matiang'i akabata yege nteke abantu bakone gukwana ratara so kebori. So ngoje maturu mwanchu mwergeria tokenda go sanga ndoche na bange bagenda to kachisimiraga na bange bagenda to machi ujumbe chiabo igikaro kyage tembe mkwere na kira senseme akabere to skare inde to so senseme yo ya variable to nyara konyana ndi bagaje kurigeria ebirengererio bya go to skare.
Getembe Television ekeonga kiamamogusi.
Nachokiona ndo ndicho kinachoendelea. Sonja esigino etabwatichi scratch egoki asogochora satellite ya Zuku tonyorwa gura edecoda ne dish asechishilingi chiri wibere amagana 999 chuka guse asechishilingi eliwiyemo amagana 999 ase abateja abaye enyorere omutinyo yomo obusa yani free premium package eliwego kene sigino ito iyo ere entinguka gima iyo kubwata sagale aseligolia mubuko kubwata chishilingi chiminye na 49 nabo okwenyorera Zuku Smart Package chishilingi chimisano nemo nabo okwenyorera Zuku Smart Plus Package na chishilingi eliweye muna 99 niko okwenyorera Zuku Classic Package nabo igo eliweye mu chimisano na na kenda asikira umutenyi enyorere Zuku Premium Package. Nyora mange yechigosoli chidocumentary chidrama cha loko chege Swahili.
Sio mpumbavu kama unavyonifikiria. Na sasa hivi nipo tayari nikafungwa kabisa nikafia jela.
Series nechi movie Noli Series na wigo nechi movie chigosoli chabana yani Kid Shows na tweba enyorere TV ya unampeya Mugetembe Television Network Channel 38 asechi package chiga okogora kwenyorera Zuku Decoder tara astinsa mchiricha Geo Soul Enterprise Masimba Plaza Building wosena bugwa kesi migwetra sechi namba 0739332468 gose na bugo tara asinsa mchiricha Aleno Electronic asibara ya kisi migori angene bengi ya KCB chinsa mchiricha daraja osebwa kesi migwetra namba 0714067223 Bwigo nabo okusanga munaintu wetrust namba chito echuchire 0205200025 gose 0703010000. Zuku, life got better.
Getembe Television Ekeonga Kiamamogusi.
Abantu mbaro waronte binga ngomuntu narota kuboli botagusia nga ngwe serikali nchiko muwaji ona tigamba boli number 1 muntu itarateba usengo boli yale yendo yakabere mumbu amenyete ono boli chikoro kulumum yendo yakabere oyonde nere oyonde nere ongere para yelami kilomita 64 ongere estima ange milioni 500 kumanya kwa nderinga ndoso muntu yone nchiko likyo muntu munga iga no ngotiga bongi wede yani ntigeri itororiane njiko ligiri Kongo
Mwancho Muriria yuri mujumbe w'ibunge ya Kitutu Chache North ase county ya Kisii wigoro mugachomone wikiama igikora kia UDA inse serikali yabomo ya Kenya Kwanza ngaki tushaka solelise umushimanya kundata atago tigari tororia achikorra li Kongo because he doesn't subscribe to any ida kura sawa ngurabusi yoko liye kero byo
mbia mano mheshimiwa Jafet Mokaya mheshimiwa Osoro mheshimiwa Janda mheshimiwa Alpha bonsi pia bagusi tigengoko ekure obande liga na lwele weke nyumba ekero mogusie imokirenga engochia naona ego iwekero ntomanya the interest ne chinyinge chire bono igo opportunities ya serikali yaro ntonyeligereti inazima za chafa tialigereti yaro chokode binte binga sana tigarengera limatiengo be president inkiata akore inkiata akore why should he kill a dream this namba ya mo ka tebanga tarate banko boria umanya ko genda edio tebanga oyonde nere ongeire para moyere nkia gocha konga taraba majeni taraba president lakini ndaki alenge siezi interior na bintu binde education na bintu binde into aroche kia korede beyond gusi na kiki agalire uya ndonda takotebia morali Clinton ingelinga wave gose omotenge chugo chire gusi omatiani igoro monene mono paka no gosoro ataka ke konyoganya igoro monene mono paka no nyencha fati no enchanda bataka ke konyoganya lakini ndenge nya koliba lenjera ngaki gose barate omonene bwensoyo babere bakunganya ngabusintu tonyetalete ni tutoralia bono iga no ko mobilize political mobilization ego ta koruzi in case president yataka gota we care totally different. Number 2 enjera babere bako mystery ya bando bande you know no anechikadi bando bako under state law chiko bagweiga na masenga oyotuya ndo otagenda oyotuya ndo otagenda ngoja ko ligibare opportunity bune yiwe bole because no head of state to manyirenga usiye yonjokire not even President Ruto even Raila Odinga even the other people bakagete na gusi no Kalonzo na wala kwa campaign Nairobi Machakos Kitui Makueni this time around they feel the heat no anguzi abatabanga aba nyaroka babo kamba banyo manire gusi ngocha gochale he may not get it easy on the ground so the truth is ekero omogusi arolire nga na intunto bwate what it takes ko yoborai wense mogusi ro yogo cha tena maya a few of them no NCS education ni manyate ngochimotu wango korabale mekutana ibere tatu aba murabano ngo asabale ko simia the candidate ya Matiang'i for obvious reasons abande mbale bako nyako nyunto boke goru serikali ya Roro ndorakana mbuya bale na baminto ndibainyolenga they are there because manjungo kana toleba ngoka na tax untore entitled to development it is not a favor Clinton it is not a favor tikatora abanyolenga part of our tax nera ali nendo neta keira equitable distribution of those resources.
Tutaracha sema kumba what do you mean mekutana na rega ndeta you prove to any information
agencies mama mana ataba ngamba umera CS Matiang'i akabatebya nkuboli arege nteke ekaroba mu umera ababande baromba ko umere president bamoto inga okire mo inanga kidoga number 2 ahaso uwe political party neta keire upatogo jibono Jubilee togo jibono otoko rosie political party nga kitogo chakoba it is not an easy thing as abana siasa bono onde bwenzi nono zoro onde bwenzi ko pingo zoro bono nyorege ndako bwatira iga ko ende ground otango zoro kanne Matiang'i originally zoro zaudi mugrano Matiang'i no I expected ko nyachikura kinyinga mugirango eyo ora kuwanenga Matiang'i go president Saudi Mugiranga including Osoro was rather remorseful gata nchitinda kuwana bobe lakini rende Matiang'i karateba nchitinda wikonda linde ko sande clip wero dango bolero president ili swali ala giraboli ora yuko boli ya lebona arate barongo boli no support you
pero to say makumba before to just because I don't know somewhere in South Kirango Mheshimiwa Nyakundi ni gatia bande Dennis mention ndega Mheshimiwa Nyakundi ata sofa na bwate chipara kilomita na bwate stima na bwate sedi tororia ya sakora sibi ndongwa cha sabantu bae ngo tara kwa na kende abantu bakonya ko mu pressure abantu abagoro chembe ba so ina ndi cha
actually history anyora umrao ito warense moya Ruto on the wrong side history ya banyore is going to kill their careers very young. After this, there is a revolt. Matiang'i meagusi. Eras that time. Kerabone is nationally supported. Now Montonde Bwenzi to work against a support of Matiang'i Kisi is likely just to go home. So Abamrava, they are panicking. You see, if they had performed, there was this discussion on the table. The regime was failures. You understand? Ekele president eko chakisi. Ekele ndo wako ndo nomo chere. It's just food. Kakwanda bogere, obera oro oro project bogere. Kakwanda boruya, oro project boruya. Iga agusi, ocha batabana, ekele ndo na takite iga ngankela taka e contract ya kwambe. You see, he is the president. When he was coming to Kisii, he knew that it should come something. About to tell him na kalkyo, kwenda yake bosi. Aba muraba itu wako Osoro Nyakundi mujumbe ne
Alpha Meruka
tingere kusana kuwa ne Alpha Meruka mwewa chisana ni manyiteki na wala unjoka naone party now is not are very unpredictable. Aba muraba they have 2 years to serve. Let them perform because you're going to we are not going to vote for people that would be unfair. We're going to support people because the leaders so you elect because they are performers. On your soul is a performer, then let the people judge. When you are a performer, they have support. But the moment against Matiang'i by pronunciation, you are ready just to go home. They are a performer without a performer. Because the history of Kenya Kuliko. The first time total president there is no way he ought to cover outside that history because the moment you do that you betray us, you betray the community. Remember community china namna chawa ikoyo abakamba abaluya ochanze abanabani ase history ya Kenya ndonge abambantu zami abambraba abaluya bangire kunyoma umukamba kalonzo angire kunyoma wone mumurawo ikiyako ni mama tia akitoko weka abatangale mutu anyome no ndebezi urapinga maganayi including because Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga tomokora mesa kurusi itogaika but no mali yabo turuka sana we just expecting na ndio roho nyingine by the time also AUC is going to endorse our brother Matiang'i. So anybody against Matiang'i is committing suicide.
Tutaraja Soraro Ntuchakiroro, because you are in South Mugirango, Chinkwana Chikumu Osoro, Aquaretega, you covered that event to Mheshimiwa Senator Onyonka, Korangana Chinkwana Chia Dennis, Senator Onyonka, now Miranete, no Mheshimiwa Matiang'i akapata inkobori yale. But where you are, Mheshimiwa Osoro Kotabana, Kirete Matiang'i simi, Mheshimiwa Matiang'i akamata ya hata ikobori kirweke gato korena tena kwa togo chaka sore mwanchumo rigeri katika ategera Chinkwana chumo Mheshimiwa Silvana Zosoro, mchifu ipa kurwase ikaunti ya Kisii bunge ya South Mugirango watabanga Mheshimiwa Matiang'i na kwanete na resi miaka matebinga taraba tayari kuriya kirweke iga kyuko ibense.
Bemigira serikali no barime bona ego kweminja nga yogochi na baboli the other day go kweminja nga yogochi etu akatameire ogere bono iga baachire muina wabo kera tu atora state logiga ali na obalenge mutwali baikaranzite e president kego ja koigora kene no bale intunga itogochi moja wadanga se itoga oneta yose itoga oneta yali koboli kura bocho president monta bangaina namba limunya ukona nga koboli bale to agambe na bali kobolia Masori ambeo mbabuga nande siasa yatata rasmi wewe karakari na kamubuko na kene nande tabiyo kamubuko basa otu omanya kutumia to kama mogoko abantu gosemba kotegera abantu banje tebe yase balwara kiyoka no nyo muru watu na karanze gali yo ere biya gosere bobe ono ro mogoko obegeta kama kumubuko obegete ngite mubuko yikiaga oso yo kama ko iguru oso yo kama ko iguru oganyo be president ya Kenya siasa erasmo obeka kama nweskari kali boardroom obeka kama nweskari no mubuko gochore biya abantu bako kwena babyoke ku kimoto asaba ono yo muntu omungwana oyoro dega ase nkongo mungsa ya tumu support ko sento kole tono le bitebion sipata kirega ere biya basere bobe lazima tu akesa bona tutsiai maidumu abanda muizo kubwati kwanza kurubuiko yali bakwe minja naende baenda kutuko bamatenga toye naende bagasi CS ayekwe minja mugasu kwe minja na kutuko nechikura tubwata nisatu na umuntu tu akatamire nga ntune lijonye yemo no ayembigete onyolire kiyaye erekera akandiru akwe babana bugima no buligo ena kwandira bo begosekena lakini batera bagusitu tire basoli yito okora era onyolire kiyaye bona agenda busukumira sobo chipara chikuguru sobo keregete sobo mugusibona aga yatatuwe tuweze bana aja kokuyura tibi tiarara usaja kokura na intwe twangete nyarebe
Mwanchumo rigeri no Mheshimiwa Osoro tigato cha sore aron no kwangera go Mheshimiwa Osoro batabanga no nyambari bakubori ko basaro ngaro gusi ba mwakeresi ba matebiri that is hot air
umaite esoko chakera litangani ngelinga no ena emuno ligasa individual abantu baragotenga kwa gachore nyomba ani baragotenga kwa gacha baragotenga kwa role gali barora tabinga intimba the plan yeyo barora tengo role gali kwa gacha nyomba so abwese issue ya Matiang'i na bwate right yae yogotebi onyonga nyaka kama tabati tatebi Osoro ani taka matabati abu tarat manga tabinga tarat manga te Osoro ngaki ngobo ndekero kekiga issue ene yiga eje abaminto bakwa ndega moso makumba na Dennis Orioki igoro ya bantu koba casualties gwetera soko kwa Matiang'i politics ye bwata casualties bara abange na ande bakumya mono bakara ande bakukupi batariko chibaboka but what is siasa that should be the expectations after all but ende igatabu ngere ngora so meka moigan ko kiro rira sana ko bana jito ka so mari monda nyora namke bwata amangani kitiga ago chastic yo bongo bwana ime egoro kunga igatabu na the story of the prison monga kwa ngi mai sinya sigana bora nyawa gi igatabu kyo esto igatabu ngera tabanga sometimes tambo stretch ama ka chigoro kwebanye ndori kwa bigete sindiga tigi mbiarengo wata kori chibiribiri igoro kwanyo byaruro so that brings my point ngaki for example ekara boligaria abangwana bale kubese ora chinza mochia gusi usaro ngoro gusi bale side yo musike William Ruto to chakere Silvana Zosoro to musike Charles Nyakundi to genda musike Alpha Miruka to genda Saidi Chanda to genda Nyamira to genda se mondo gorkunga nera chwa nyamoko abanda bonse bale sinza mo ya chupiri bono the arithmetics bagwa kaneji what is sitting on your kuruga igesende se kia mega gia UDA bono igakurweso muraigwense musike William Ruto ndachi konyora kurwese for example Matiang'i sikobol chikora then what are the chances cha Matiang'i kwa William Ruto? Because on matters probability wala tabirina onye ko bwata besa ko ko igonye bitego chigoro onye kero mutu ne simba onye mutu ko rigora the first chance yo kwa was a probability ndanga ngaki na bere no mutu yo wa papa roje kelio roje ona si probability kala kwambia onye for example ta kwambia Musike Fred Matiang'i na William Ruto ama ngana probability almost give them a chance because era a factor in incumbency. You cannot rule out that is a politics. As an incumbent, now what the start. So these other guys, whatever support, they're going to factor that in. For example, I took example specific example Musike Silvana Sosoro. Sosoro ni chief whip UDA. And the maybe I suppose okay, so when Wanyaki is covering William Ruto already elected. Na para be elevated korwe chief wepo na ngo chi something else yonye kikaro ekinda mwe kole gane structure chia boy chia UDA go determine yonye parliament go determine. So he is going to weigh this and then already na toko ira na go chance yake then brand democracy go kwana. Then what is wrong ekero onyonga no tebanga ngo support ya Matiang'i osora tabera ngo support ya Ruto. Usijave tena wata the specific ngara tango tiga litorori ya ni ngo. One amakosa hivi ndio nara, ile makosa ta vijaguna na makosa ama mwenye nara. This guys were very as a politics were elected leaders sometimes na wao tikapoto ba a room ya boyo go their views wata haki ndio jega. Ani baka punch it but I will prefer oyo go punch it go mutuga because of this politics of central ya Matiang'i ave punch it as otakolegas. Takitaka kuasishia because usashia utasishia na Matiang'i. That will be my point.
Tetera nyara mechi kwa cha Samuel Ruto kwa tonya wale our parting shot to korase ege karekega Samuel kira kwandega kwa baheshimiwa bali bara aligning to the current government baruba atebire bara convinced bad.
By the way, naigura matorona karo ngombenera asengu kamukuru. But what I can say, we live in a democratic country whereby kero muntu na watu bosibure kwana kejeta etugose ko bwate sibyo ndumesi atagite. Lakini to chagaiga ase amurai hono na hono Japhet Nyakundi. Remember, you can't expect Japhet Nyakundi akwane a party leader where he's serving as a treasurer. Remember that. So now what Ethiopia korokina Matiang'i yotare, and actually it's very true. Matiang'i wega tara chagaiga adotari na atakete. But rende is worthy. That's why we are feeling na kero unyonga nera gotabanga Matiang'i mwage na atakete. It is good. When it comes and he declares himself, it's well and fine. Abura nyorenga, they are talking from the side like oyo monyene tara icha out there amane na atakete. But chimkwana mwa mega babwate when you look at treasurer with chama a treasurer of the chama ya UDA,
the ruling party.
The ruling party. You expecting bado abe kako support chingwana wose amagendero yomora yoye na kiamoire na ndipo nakara kwa nanga Matiang'i amoire wose whatever Matiang'i the president maybe aganya na yarabe na yaramwe ko chaso Musike Silvana Sosoro. Remember that he is a chief mchifu ikwase nsema ya bunge. So you are expecting na engineer yako atema watabanga wona iga asabona ngane roro wewe nchokoleki na tiatora kama and then essing njoba mnero right. Oh no, siasa ni what interest. You never know ki inki bobatereto asabona. Remember that what the yake. So mbabo saibona kada bako nyoranga injiri omura mo ko nyumura ibi so rengo rigadi gashagwa rokanite ko nyakubachana iga. Na bako mundaka tabanga bado waisirushi mondu biko siga kombi. Chira se region ya emi. But for now you expecting bala karasa serikali anyarko gakurundi ile agenda yomura ibi se oro William Ruto. Iki ndokene kintu ni wanda kumanyanga ki abara yaba kuchinse mecharusi. They hold big positions in those parties and even in parliament. So asabona inga na abara nyarko bako ba sense mu yomura ibi se Musike William Ruto
to keep their own interest.
Briefly chances in Chiro, like you associate yourself with the winning team. He has chances to go. But for now, they are just looking at that moment. What we have, the Andosari, to Timba, to Ganyati. Now, I to stretch with Chiguro, if you are getting the
Thank you so much. Sambiendaga kuansensa ya Facebook wewe ndo chetra sakemto katabanware na intwe mwalimu Elijah Onchege kwa St Catherine Kyoge enseme ya watanero berga kubwate represent dan watabanga kwa ibacho nyeriba Masaba constituency watabanga Matiang'i tosha 2027 watabanga ni wave ka ilivyokuwa 2002 and our late mzee Simon Nyachaya watabanga ya Matiang'i na Ruch kwa kuna mheshimiwa Nyagosira Simon Nyachaya jeria kirwa na kuru asensemo ya ngumbu mana mabari na wataba bwatirire Roma Ondabu watabanga kurwa KMK timaitiga unkaira kihari KMK na and KMK kiamo kama thank you so much watabanga na Rucha barai buna bago teba batokora kwa watabanga tote memono kurigia ogwancha na gwancha bantu na kurika abasaye baito buna bono humrai Matiang'i na achiete akeba kurika abasigari abatabanga ensema bara guchikoire birogo embaye ba abasaye bagabansega asensemo ya YouTube nindo chega koraze na Ondabu na ragotabanga obereka kubwateria abatabanga imiroberio iyo okoriye kero ke mheshimiwa Matiang'i. It is a wave which cover very strong politically, lakini abatabanga tunyarko batokoria abasani kurwase ichinsemo chisco Denison Keye na abatabanga watching from USA. Abatabanga Mr. Ryoki, you got powerful points, thank you so much. Kenzo Norobe ga kubwateria Damari Sayoka, Geoffrey Nyabaro, thank you so much. Na sense SMS mbarega na bange sana lakini tota kubanto ko soma chonsi tiganda soma bale batatu nari nande Jumapili nde umuruburu karono to kuchiko chakira abatabanga igatia barai bariba kwa meria ekerwe ose egangega mheshimiwa Matiang'i abatabanga igatia barai yabo niko babwente kwene kyabuna nkoira bari ngorase chinga kechiga irinde baramanya stand yo mheshimiwa Matiang'i ngayere takwanitirya tadi ayo yiga abatabanga political parties political parties and leaders as of now they want to remove the current president igobona abatabanga amangana yo korosiesa igabado bayira ngorabani kibuna bakubwatira nabande inde kurusia serikali yabono ase ikirugone nabange Matthew Enchogu abadiya berega abatabanga torosiesa igaito uno mugusi mwanchu murigera mechinyinge kwenda kuba yechinsa tiganda baida ke keme ya mukira yomo tunyako batoko kwandra chinkwana chito cyo moya sengencho nabaka tokonya kukwanda bomo hegati aba msimbara bachito wa munyoro by the way kuna wale wabina wa munyoro watunere da keme yamo tuchakira na Dennis HSC na turakore tukolia leo
bia mano na nchire njira oyo minto makumba ko bekamangana statement nere gendere tenga oyo taiko support Matiang'i ndo rombo musi oyo morogi umuya bare maino bari no propagate that message a team where resike kora na abandi batata Matiang'i neronko yire gento na imwe ko batebya mo ko support Matiang'i inki numore so you should be prepared what motua Clinton and the rest of the team expect a lot of mudslinging wakwe sike Matiang'i not yomugusibweka but across board you should be prepared ekeroge koko boje babo danga ngeli kionde no yondo getagete na era boikarenga yabo kubutora amagoro so expect a lot tigabando bagenda mbagenda na emotions no ne chikura Matiang'i akoli gutikali kubuya go freely and a lot happens in politics na roche omo senator Onyonka Marogoba Igor Mambia gakolike WhatsApp betalia oversight kagotabanga taigo chigokora kasi na mugabana Simba ase gange yo support Matiang'i you know bono interest chance re gosoka agakora gotabanga nende omugabana obunyo wale muntu tayo wesokire gopingo mugabana Simba bali na anje nisoke togende mu mugusi with that attitude no president yobo doraba biusaza barataba so we katobe ke emotions cheito kando toje open toni narrative no na Matiang'i freely message again beyond koroka bandu banda marieta na calling and other things
thank you so much fair enough
na nje ase ensemo ya nini gonda mnajiko kuweka kitabu kana tiyo wata roge kwa prison of the prison monga asna yota banga great expectations make frustrated men so as much as to open any political steps was a decision to make let us be aware to expect much than that we can afford as much as to go support go sebali to go support you must Matiang'i ko president most of them mbale okonya babere impulsive nande babere emotional in a way that omuntu libaga kokotebinga why should be supporting for example Fred Matiang'i ako baraisi omuntu kokorama for example kuna liyo kema to not in ego to akesiasa chinje.
Thank you so much Aruna. To makumba na kwa na wewe mwerio.
Yes. Igandura tena kiga. Kwanza na bwana Mheshimiwa Silvana Sosoro. Mheshimiwa Silvana Sosoro is a prophet of doom. He was only lucky once. That everything Ruto will become president. Raila and he became president. He was lucky once, but he's not a genuine prophet. Now that the community interest, one day will judge him. Mheshimiwa William Ruto became illegitimate. He became illegitimate. He was supposed to resign. In fact, he should not be in office. Like in our office, now I'm waiting for the time to come when Kenyans will say, you vote anyone other than Ruto. So that they talk about the next president of Kenya. Lastly, my brother Urioki, Mheshimiwa Onyonka, senator, he is a wise man. Like we said, we do not question the IQ of a wise man. We see he gave what the history of from his father to other leaders, what a legacy, and very clear out there. If Senator Onyonka wants to become the governor, he get a democratic right here, governor of Kisi County. Actually, doesn't go wrong with Onyonka as a governor, and we can even expect much more development. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Sam, briefly.
Lastly, on a brief note, on what David, I'm so excited. Of course, let us not be too much excited, and let us not interest in so let's not interest each other. We want this thing. What are the better ways and what are the better means we can have this thing in a proper way to do to our excitement nyingi echiragere tonyona tuikarangire tonyore gendeke tore twa kerore usasa.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Just give me one.
10 seconds please.
No, mazungumzo yao bwana
he was only betrayed by someone we know today. But today, so we have a chance.
A good point to leave it at that. It's getting better and better every day. Thank you so much, Sam Mienda, Kurwasegetaseni Kiagetembe FM, Joseph Atinjaga, Makuba, thank you so much. Aso Kureka, Egi Karo Kiagetembe, Tunde Igakova, Eki Yamono Haruno Toto Mengirina Batambe, Kurwasense Mega Getembe TV, Asamanganagi Siasa, Head of State Recommendation HSC, Dennis Orioki, Aso Wikrana,
recommendation.
Thank you so much. Lucas Mugaka, Kurmelaye Chikamera, na Eric Aduga, Director ito Avila Karidu Cross Studio ya Kabutos Karu Manchumba Sani Changi Dake ya Mwega, Kurenanda se Ekionga Chinsanya, Tunarakoba Toko Gendra Sangana, and Tumera Mujumapide Rocha, Asigi Karo, Kiaget and Tonga Koga Semena Kogendra Koga Tebia, Ayagan Reta Sarongorosi, Nechin Samochiri Chiatanine.
Getembe Television, Ekionga Kiamamogusi.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Marco Pillo.